space, the final frontier. These are the voyages of Bill, Jebediah and Bob Kerman. Their continuing mission: to explode strange new worlds, to seek out new life and crash their rockets on top of them, to boldly go and die where no Kerbal has died before. Okay, slow your ass down, boy. Get there. Reverse thrust. This should bring down my arc considerably. What is that? You know what? I'm quite interested in that. What's the button I'd need to press here? So it's obviously them pair. So if you could just stretch that way for me, please. Alright, now with that said and done, we'll turn our RCS and SAS off. Fly around to the prograde, turn on the RCS and reverse thrust. I'm interested to find out what this little nipple thing is here. Interesting. So it just means a little bit more flying around, but we are going to land on the nipple. Ah, the min-miss nipple. Oh, there it is. What is it? It's clearly not ice. It is just a little nipple. Alright, sweet. So, get yourself sorted, you fool. You poontang. Absolute bare minimum thrust. So now I think it's time to get ourselves up ready. Landing ready since 1983. So nope, that's the wrong way. That's just put us fucking completely out of landing ready. That's the direction we want to go. Nope, not that way. This way. And get that landing gear down. I mean, I imagine we could land without the landing gear, but I'm not leaving it to chance. Just in case this decides to explode on me. Alright, thrust your way to glory. How are we doing? 100 and something meters per second. So, let's give ourselves a proper good thrust, because it's starting to get closer now. And we don't want to be hitting the floor at 100, because no matter how sturdy these legs are, you can't hit the ground at 100. 2 times speed! 2 tons fresh. I'll tell you what, you think I'm being ruthless with the landings here, with my speed and whatnot, you should see what MechJeb will do for you. MechJeb will go to about this height at 100, and then it'll just be like, yeah, I'm going to blitz your engines now, and it will land every time. It is really good for it, but it's just very scary. The only thing you can't trust is the ascent autopilot. Right, come on. Land, goddamn you, land. Alright, we hit the floor there, I'm sure we did. Yep, there we go. Sweet! So, yeah, we landed on the min-miss nipple. That is what I'm crowning this place. I am laying claim to this place and calling it the min-miss nipple. You heard it here first. I'm not quite on the tip of the nipple, but never mind. I'm on the nipple. The min-miss boob. Fucking goddamn it. So, let's skip forward a day. Up to day 24. If we had EVAs, our Kerbals would be out and about now, collecting min-miss rocks, just generally having a bit of a mess around, I think. So, wow, a min-miss day is a long time. We've been here fucking 2 Kerbin days already, so time to put an end to this. And I'd say now during the heat of the afternoon, or a min-miss afternoon, it's back to the moon. So the SAS is still on, so is the SAS. Take off, gear away, and we are off. Get ourselves an initial fast burn of about 200, and then I'll direct myself around to 90 and see how that goes. I was saying that, would I want 270? No, fuck it, I'm going to go with 90, because that's what I'd normally do. Alright, now give yourself more thrust. So this burn seems pretty bad. Not this burn, the moon burn, the landing burn is going to be pretty harsh on our fuel. I don't know if it's going to be enough to land unless I'm really ruthless with the landing. But I always have the parachute. I've always got that equipped just in case. Right, now which way is that facing? So, if I can get an orbit out of this and then boost the way back over. Don't know why I've gone up in such a funny angle, so SAS off. Nope. SAS off, RCS off, swing around, head to the 90 and booshaz. I'd like to know what that little pink marker is. I don't know what that is. Okay, so now we're here. I'm going to be boosting myself back. So RCS off, SAS off, 90 degree on, SAS, RCS thrust. Alright. Let's see what I can do with this. If I can just tip this in such a weird way so it gets out of the way of Minmus, we can possibly try and get an intercept course back on the go. So now we're going to do that, and we're back on Kerbin Sphere of Influence. So now what I'm going to do, RCS off, SAS off. SAS wasn't even on, so reverse thrust, bring that. What was that? Was that Minmus? Yeah, that was Minmus again. Oh, Minmus! Right, okay. So now it's going to throw my angle out pretty damn weird, so at some point I'm going to have to adjust that. In the meantime though, what I am going to do, get myself back on prograde, well 90 more or less, and reduce that periapsis, see if we can intercept that fucking moon. And also give ourselves a rotate as well. No moon intercept. Right, how are we doing for RCS? Shit, we're down to that quarter of a tank I was hoping we wouldn't be. It could just be a parachute landing for the Kerbals, but I'm still, with that regardless, I'm still going to be going for it, so back to the moon it is. Right. Slow yourself down, get yourself a lot. RCS on, get myself on that line. I need to fucking bring the angle back. RCS, right, okay. Come on. Bring it so it's level. Why you no level? Superman no home. Okay, so that's pretty level, I'd say. Get yourself to the Apo, Peri even. Switch to retro. This is just a load of fucking commands. I should be missing control. Mission control, this is your flight pan. Go to retrograde. Fucking sort this shit out. Whee! Fucking hell. Imagine if mission control was like that. Got you bastard. How's fuel? Fucking grim. Grim.grim.grim.com. To be honest, you know what? I am quite confident. Confident in one's ability to land this bullshit. So how was the periapsis there? 235. Ideally, which way am I going? So I'm going at 500 meters per second. That's pretty shit. So yes, degrim this orbit if you can. Get that periapsis right down, you bitch! You Kerbal bitches! Alright. I'm happy with that. It's a good thing that I think that the landing site is on the light side of the moon, because it could be pretty awful. Alright, so now we need to find the retrograde. We're going to circularize the orbit, so we're pretty damn close to the base itself. Right, okay, yes. Caffeine's starting to have a big effect on me now. Right, okay, 11,000 meters. Can I adjust the... It's normal and anti-normal, isn't it, for this, I'd say now, so... Head to north, or south, it's one of the two. There we go, perfect. Perfectissimo! Keep on spinning. Ah, you spin me right round, baby, right round. Come on. Keep going, you can do it. I'd say that's pretty much over the base. Alright, back to retrograde and bring that arc back down. Bring it down! Right, okay, go. Thank you for your cooperation in this matter. That's fucking a bit lower than I had intended, so... Yeah, fuck it. To be honest, I haven't got the RCS to be pissing around with this. So, where am I going to conjunct with it? Oh no, time slowed down because I've got closer. Hello, Kerbin. You're looking bigger than ever. Gonna be looking a lot bigger a lot later. Oh man. So, mission to Minmus, fucking phase 2 of Legacy, is pretty much a success. Once it touches down, well, this craft touches down and rejoins with the base, then I'd call that a successful mission. We're then going to sit down for a few days, stock up on goodies, analyse the Minimus rocks that we've brought back with us, and then we're going to prepare for our journey home and get ready for the next crew to go use the Legacy base. In fact, the next Legacy crew might not be going to the Legacy base for a while, given the fact that the next thing I want to do... You know what, there's an arch over there. I thought it was my base. They are everywhere, as you can see. We are parked next to an arch. But yeah, the next mission will be to set up an orbital base of Kerbin, I think. A big, meaty orbital base. I mean, this, I'd say, is quite small. Legacy is quite a small base. I guess I'd be calling it the KSS, the Kerbal Space Station, will be quite massive, I'd say. Right, okay, we're back at base. I can see it. That's good enough for me. How long is it going to take me to slow down from this, though, is the key question. Alright, prograde, reverse thrust, go. Times 2 speed here, because I can't be arsed waiting around. I just want to get this mission over and done with. I think we could be on the ball to go rendezvous with this bullshit. 200 meters per second. Yeah, nice. Okay, so slow that time down. Well, turn this off for starters. Prograde. Where is prograde facing? I want to be facing that way. I want you to boost your way to glory over there. I also want you to, if you could for me, just boost your fucking arc the other way for me. Thank you. Thank you, please. Does look like I'm going to land right next to the bastard, so we're going down again. So now it's time to turn off RCS and SAS. We're going to find retro and we're going to hold it this time. There it is, go back, hold, go back, hold. Why is the RCS level so grim? I've blitzed a whole lot when I shouldn't have done. So, I mean, I've still got more to blitz. I need to slow myself down from 150 yet. So, right, I want you to go. I can see legacy. Right, go on. I want to be pretty much falling now, straight down. Alright, there we go. That's fucking nice, that is. So, get back up to the top. Find out where the front of your craft is. Rotate it. Yeah, at least I picked up which way that rotated then. Next thing, RCS back on and thrust to glory. Thrust it. Pelvic thrust! I wonder how many parts this is actually going to be. I mean, mission time is running at 33 days, 11 hours and 29 minutes, so God knows, really. Alright, yes. Yes. We are close. I can feel it. Okay, that, mate. Legacy 2, we are coming in for a docking procedure. Hope you don't mind. Put the kettle on. The Kerbals are fucking very tired. They've been out in this cap and they've seen these same fucking four walls for like the past week. Alright, wicked. You're almost there, Kerbals. You're almost there. Okay, this is going to require some tact. Moving just a little bit too fast. Okay, get on. RCS off. Sweet. We're docked back up at fucking... what's it called? Legacy 2. Which can't be a bad thing, really. So now, our Kerbals are going to get some rest. They're going to spend the last couple of days here, and then it's home time. This one's the all important one. This one defines a truly successful mission. Will it actually happen? Will it not? Stay tuned. I'm not going to cut the episode there, but you know. Well, technically, if it comes into like a time rolling round frame, it's going to get cut there. But now we are here, I think it's time to leave. We're going to go home. So our Kerbals are going to wave farewell to the Legacy base. It's done them proud. It's done them proud these past few episodes. So, but now it's time to get ourselves ready for a new rocket with new landing gear. Maybe even more RCS than what this one had for extended missions. But bear with us one sec. That's my phone ringing.